to Fratelli's on Melrose, one of my favorite places in LA, and I'm going to meet my potential roommate. We'll see how it goes. I'm already way too hot. I'm wearing a sweater, but it's still gloomy. I have to catch the bus now. I was trying to take a different bus, but missed it again, but like a couple seconds. I'm walking to a different bus stop, and I think that's why I'm so hot already, because I was running. I shouldn't have ran. Ooh, shiny car. I think it went well, you guys. My blind date with my future roomie. We're looking for the same thing. We're gonna start looking into places together. Now I'm walking to meet my friend to have another coffee. Hi, Rambo. Hi, buddy. All right. Has it changed since the last time you were out here? Yeah? I always feel like it's very impolite that I'm wearing my glasses when I look at you. There you go. I met Lily and we had lunch. Well, I had lunch. It was okay. That's like a more kitchen place. I've been there before so many years ago. Like, it's fine. I paid $20 for like a falafel bowl, which was all right, but nothing special. I did not pick up the camera until now because I was just really having a slow day. Rambo and I were just enjoying a couple of walks. I ate breakfast. I talked to my friend on the phone for a very long time, which felt really good. And I was just, I don't know, feeling lazy. I'm editing my YouTube video. I'm getting ready to go back to Westwood again, to go to the gym. I'm bringing my book, I'm bringing my shoes, I'm bringing my water bottle, but I'm leaving it empty so it won't be too heavy. The light is just not good. Or I just don't look good. I don't know, but there's no need for me to look good, so.
Stop request.
I'm off to see my manager this morning. I'm meeting with her just to discuss new headshots, and I just want to catch base with her. And then I have a Zoom call later in the afternoon, and then I'm meeting a friend for happy hour drinks. Okay, I'm done with my meeting. It went really well. I love my management company. I love them so much. Lots of the conversations were about me trying to make stuff happen like immediately. And then my manager reminding me that's not how it works and things just take time. I can't be in control of any of this because there's no control to be had. I have to get new headshots. I'm gonna sign up in a class, one step at a time, people. So I was just chilling at Century City Mall for a little bit, looking through those headshot photographers. And now I'm almost back at my friend's place, going to do some editing, and then I have my Zoom call, and then I'm gonna do lunch with a friend. Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Oh wait, there you go. Now you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Hi. Service animals are welcome, but no pets allowed. But a service animal is either you have to be a dog or a miniature horse. Good morning vlog. It is 9 a.m. on Friday morning. Rambo's last day with me, or my last day with Rambo. I don't have much to say. It'll be a chill day today. I did not sleep very well. Yeah, so instead of going to sleep, I went to my laptop and was working from my laptop, finished editing that video. I published the video, and then I freaked out that it was too embarrassing to post that. So then I messaged, because at that point, people in Austria were already awake. So So then I messaged my sister and my friend, you have to watch this video and you need to tell me if I need to take it down because I'm having like a breakdown in it. I'm sure you've watched it by now. If not, go back, it's fun time. So I made them watch it and they said it was fine. I can't publish a video anymore before I go to sleep, or I need to just stop caring about it. One of the two things needs to happen, but I did not sleep very well. That's my little morning thought of the day. I'm finishing up making my breakfast. I made eggs with tomato. I have some leftover lettuce and carrot sticks. I'm gonna put this vegan buffalo dip from Trader Joe's on my tortilla that I have on the pan right now to heat up. It's really good, by the way. The lettuce I bought when I first got here like 4 days ago, and it's still completely fine. Like the lettuce in Austria, you just look at it wrong, it's already wilted. Here, I mean, that's not a good thing that it lasts that long. I don't want to know what's in it, but I mean, it's nice. I never thought I'm gonna be a list person, but I have to be honest, this is really helping me. Writing it all down, checking it all off. I got over the many deaths that I died when I posted my last vlog. I love all the comments I'm getting. Thank you guys. I think comments are very helpful. Like, feel free to put whatever else in there too. Like, if you don't like something, try not to be about it, but you know, you can give me feedback and also tell me what you liked or what you didn't like, or if you didn't understand something, if you have questions about something. I'd love to, I don't know, figure this out with you guys together, because I certainly don't know what I'm doing. I'm literally just learning by doing. My hair is wacko, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, so I just want it to be out of my face, and I'm not planning on doing my curls because it's just too much work. And for what? I got this new hairbrush and I love it. It's called Wet Brush. It's actually rather expensive. It's supposed to like help with breakage, detangle, and be good to your hair. And it really is. I think it's very good to my hair. And I got it at Target for $25. I was heavily jet lagged and didn't really know what I was doing, so I just bought it, but then I returned it because 3 days later I realized, I was like, that's a crazy purchase. And then I went to Ross and they had it there in the sales section. So I got this brush instead of $25 for $5 at Ross. I can definitely recommend it. Wet brush. Now I have to pack up all my things again. My nomad lifestyle. Isn't that nice? I'm really looking forward to when I have my own place and I can like settle down. Yeah, that's closed. I'm now off to FedEx, returning the laptop and the laptop case, and then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, pick up some stuff. I haven't had breakfast yet. Been out shopping with Lily for the past hours. Got myself a snack and a bag of nuts in my bag because I was getting hangry, and I'm going to try on these clothes. Okay, but actually we're looking for a jacket for Lily. It's not about me, it's about Lily. But there's no jackets anywhere. LA is probably not the ideal place to look for jackets, but we're here regardless. You're gonna parachute. can speak to you. It is currently 8:30 something a.m. and I'm on my way to Westwoods. I'm meeting a friend for breakfast at this cute Australian place apparently. So let's go get breakfast at 8:30 in the morning on a Sunday.
Right there.
Right where, on top of it?
Anywhere, yeah. Will it stay? Yeah, no.
I don't know what I'm filming now. I'm filming up. And you can film
shit.
down,
Yeah,
right?
that's
As you can probably see, I am back in that rock climbing gym. They have a yoga studio upstairs. So that's where I'm at right now because I'm going to do yoga now before I go rock climbing. Just wanted to check in with you, see how I'm doing, see how we're doing. I'm doing okay actually. I'm on my routine. I think I'm doing quite well with it. I think I realized what's helping me the most is I have my list. I wrote my list last night before I went to bed just to have something to work on today so I don't feel like completely lost when I wake up. I think it definitely helped me to get out of the house. That's why I like coming here as well because I can work out. It's pretty quiet. I get to talk to you guys without a bunch of people walking past me thinking I'm crazy for talking to myself. And they have Wi-Fi so I can work here as well. I always wear the same outfit when in here, and I'm sure you must have noticed by now. But it's because, not because I don't wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. Like all of this has been washed since the last time I used it. But these are my only rock climbing leggings because when I go rock climbing, like my leggings, like it kind of hurts the leggings, so the leggings are not as nice anymore, and my other two leggings are really nice, and so I don't want to use them for rock climbing. So that's why I'm always wearing these. And then I wear the sweater because it's chilly out and it matches perfectly with the color of my leggings. Can I just say I'm tired? I just did 2 yoga classes, not because I was so committed, but because halfway through the first class I was like, that's too hard for me, I can't do that right now. So I switched over to a yin yoga class. And it was only half an hour total because I didn't want to lose all my energy so I can't climb anymore. But now I'm so tired and I don't want to do anything. But I'm like, I spend money on this, so I just want to eat something and I want to sit down. I did do a couple of routes, like almost like an hour, and I did a couple that I haven't done before, and quite some hard ones, so I'm proud of myself. Now I'm eating this because I'm really hungry. Just sitting here, walking away. I'm back from the gym, as you can tell. I just made myself a little lunch, or almost dinner. It's just leftovers from what I made on Saturday. I'm gonna eat that, I'm gonna watch something, and then I'll probably continue working on my laptop. It's almost 5:30. Yeah, it's like 5:30. So yeah, I don't think there's anything crazy happening tonight still. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next vlog, which I think it's going to be about apartment hunting. If you're interested in seeing what it's like to find an apartment in LA, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I'll see you in my next one, guys.